Hey guys, today we're showing you how to make bacon wrapped hot dogs in the Ninja Foodi, all while having a whole lot of fun.
So, go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen. I'm Cris from recipes@crock.com, and I'm here today to show you one of our low carb favorites in the Ninja Foodi, and that would be bacon wrapped hot dogs. Now, you don't have to be a low carber to enjoy bacon or hot dogs, and so you can definitely serve these up on a bun, but if you're low carb, you can also just enjoy this as kind of a treat, like with a little sugar-free ketchup. But so all I wanted to do is show you a little trick in how to do it in the Ninja Foodi. We will also, in the blog post below, the link to show you how to do all this. We'll also put the oven instructions on the blog, so you can find that. But today we're going to use the Ninja Foodi because you guys know I'm in my camper kitchen, and so my oven really isn't all that helpful around here. What I have already down in my Foodi is my steamer rack at the lowest setting down in the bottom of the Foodi. And I'm doing that so I'll have more area to spread out my hot dogs because I want as much air to circulate around them as possible. So I'm taking 4 hot dogs and 4 strips of bacon at a time so I don't crowd things, and I make sure, again, that it has lots of room for that air to circulate around to get everything nice and toasty. So first, it's really difficult to do. All you do is take a hot dog and wrap it in some bacon and lay it down in there. We're going to do this 4 times. So this is like a little low carb pig in a blanket. Pig in a pig blanket, I guess. And one final one. You could also do this and throw it on the grill if you have your grill going. We don't have our grill out right now, so this is just quicker in this house, or in this RV, I should say. Okay, so we want to spread them out as far as you can. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. As you guys might have noticed, we're trying to have Foodie Fridays here, where we do something foodie specific, meaning like it has the air fryer. You could do this in an air fryer too, now that I think of it, but that it is something that the foodie really excels at, and so that's why these are kind of quick and a little bit different than the other content that we usually do. But anyhow, we're going to put the air fryer or the air crisper lid down on the Foodie, and we're going to turn on the air crisp feature, turn it down to 360, and then we are going to start at 15 minutes and turn it on to see if that's the amount of doneness that we are wanting. So I will see you back in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. Well, it has been 15 minutes and the Foodie just went off and everything is nice and sizzling. I am going to take my plate where I did my other batch and put these over here so I don't burn myself. They are beautiful. Up here. And then I'm going to come in close so you guys can see what they look like. I'm going to actually put one on a plate for me that is not burning hot. But we'll show you what they all look like here real quick. And really quickly, I have about half of my pack of bacon left. So it's just like traditional hot dogs. You know, you've either got too many bones or too many hot dogs. That's kind of my situation right now. But this is what they look like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. They are so good. I already tasted them because they smelled amazing, and they are so good. I am eating mine with a little mustard on my fine china here, and it's very yummy. So savory. If you guys are a fan of like the little smokies that we do in bacon with brown sugar, like I bet you could add some sweetener to this and do a very similar flavor with the hot dogs too. So just a thought. But I'm telling you, this is so good. It tastes like it tastes like a really good hot dog. So we love using the Ballpark Angus Franks. They're not sponsoring this. They don't know me. But I just really like the flavor of that. And then that flavor combined with the bacon and then just a little bit of mustard. Oh, it is so good. So 15 minutes, 360 on the Foodie. I'll look up a similar the equivalent for your oven, but you could also toast them on the grill if you wanted to. And that would be super easy. Just keep an eye on them until your bacon crisps up. But if you like what you saw today with Foodie Friday, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to subscribe and become a member of our slow cooking family. If you'd like notified every time we upload a video, be a crock pot recipe, a foodie recipe, or a travel vlog, we'd love for you to click the bell down below, and that is the ding-a-ling. But whatever you do, we hope that you laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye, guys.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.